Guys, this is how you can copy the Facebook story link. You have to press on the story, then press on the three dots. Then here we are going to copy link to share this story. Stories are visible to Moses' audience for 24 hours. You need to place on copy link to share this story. You copy. As you can see, we have copied. Then we can share this story as a message. We want to send it to someone. You place on this. You place on message down here. Hold, then paste. Then send. As you can see, our story is shared as a message. We can even place on it. It takes us again on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.